Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Dustin from Laptop Factory. Guys, thank you for liking and subscribing to our page. Currently, nasa 4,000 subscribers na tayo. And as I mentioned on our last video, we'll be giving free backpacks on every video. So mamaya, meron tayo winner. I'll announce it later after this video. Let's proceed on the laptop that we're gonna unbox or review, which is the CHUWI. Itong mga CHUWI na to, ito yung sa mga cheapest laptop namin eh. But this is not just an ordinary laptop with an ordinary processor. The processor of this laptop is actually Core M. We're gonna discuss the processor later, but first of all, let's open this unit. Alright, so let's start unboxing guys. Meron na kaming cutter. May napupundar na kami ng mga gamit para sa amin. Okay, so every time you're gonna buy a CHUWI, naka-sealed na ganito. So, tatanggalin nyo yung plastic na to. Okay. Yung specs niya is actually narito. But we're gonna go deep dive. So, the model of this unit is CHUWI AEROBOOK Pro. Okay. So, let's open this unit. Let's see what's inside. Pambungad niya. Charger. Check natin yung charger. Kung saan binubuksan. Dito sa side na to. Okay. Let's see. Okay, that's 2 ampere yung output niya. Alright. Here we go. So, there's a cushion here. And yeah. Okay, so, once na in-open mo, na dito yung mga manuals niya. Check natin yung manual niya. May pa-box talaga yung mga manuals niya, no? Ibang laptop wala. Okay, so this is the user manual. And this is the warranty card. Okay. You need to keep this for warranty purposes if you want to go to CHUWI. And then we have here product inspection report. Okay. What's this? Probably sa upgrades. Check natin mamaya pag in-open natin yung laptop. Okay. Certificate of conformity. Okay. Fully covered siya ng cushion. So, I think safe na safe in case na ipapa-LBC nyo or papa-deliver nyo. So, here's the unit. Tanggalin natin ito dito. Okay. At itabi na muna natin mga to. And by the way, guys, this comes with the free bag. Dati kasi mga unang CHUWI namin, walang kasamang bag eh. So, ngayon, nagbibigay na rin sila ng bag. I'm really sorry for the first customers na bumili ng CHUWI na walang kasamang bag. But in case na bibili ulit kayo, meron na siyang kasamang bag. Ito yung itsura niya. Open natin. Okay, so may lagayan ng laptop here. Saksakan. Oh, there's a wire. There's a USB port wire. Oh, okay. Here guys, in case na meron kayong charger, cable from your phone, pwede nyo isaksak dito. At ito naman, ang isasaksak nyo sa power bank para hindi matasa. Okay? Let's go. Okay, we got here some pockets. Lagay ng ballpen. Dito. Another pocket. And dito. And here, there's a little in here. Okay? Isa sa mga magandang features to, which is this one. Okay? So, pwede nyo kabitan ng USB, tapos to Type-C, ayan, tapos sa loob yung power bank. And now, let's talk about the appearance of this unit. Now, let's talk about the appearance of this unit. The color is space gray, parang katulad ng MacBook Pro. There's a CHUWI logo here, which is parang hindi naman kita, pero ano naman sa ilaw, may kita mo yung logo. And guys, this is an aluminum body. It's not a plastic. Now, let's talk about the ports of this unit. On this side, I have here USB 3.0, the power socket, and there's a light indicator here kung naka-charge or naka-on. A mini display port and USB Type-C. On the other side, there's a mini SD card, an audio combo jack 3.5mm, and another USB 3.0. Now, let's talk about the dimension of this CHUWI AEROBOOK Pro. The width is 12 inches, the depth is 8.2 inches, the height is 0.6 inch. And this is a 1.3 kilogram. Well, mabigat siya, pero dahil because it's aluminum, not like plastic-made laptop na mas magaan. It's your preference na gusto mo. Is a plastic grade or a metal grade. Now, let's open the unit. Okay. The tracking pad is actually mas malaki siya, yung tracking pad niya compared sa mga ibang tracking pad ng ibang laptops. And the keyboard size is, may kita nyo, is fully maximized. Onti na lang yung borders niya dito. Not like other laptops na may malaki pang borders dito. Guys, it's a 13.3-inch laptop, okay? So, the screen is gloss. That's why nagre-reflect. Yung kabilang side, will open the laptop later. Check the brightness of kung okay man o hindi. There's a sticker here na Intel Core M. Okay, now let's open the unit. Let's talk about the specifications of it. Alright, let's talk about the specifications of this unit. It's running an Intel Core M3-8100Y. The base boost is 1.1 GHz. The turbo boost is 3.4 GHz. Now guys, probably you just heard about Core M. Kasi ang sanay tayo sa mga Celeron, Pentium, i3, i5, i7. Nag-release dati si Intel ng Core M, ang purpose is for battery saving. Bakit? Kasi mababa lang ang base boost niya. It's only 1.1 GHz. However, guys the turbo boost is 3.4 GHz. Mas mataas pa yung turbo boost nito sa mga i3 na processor and sometimes sa i5. That is why Core M mostly ginagamit if you're on the go because it will save you more battery. Ngayon, in case na kailangan niya na mag-render ng mas mataas pang gigahertz or ng turbo boost, kaya niya kasi 3.4 gigahertz to eh. Okay? Now, about the memory, it's 8 gig DDR4. That is 1,867 megahertz. The storage is 256 SSD. And the display is 13.3 inch. That's a full HD, 1920 by 1080. And it is an IPS display. So kahit saan mo tingnan na angulo, it will provide you a true color accuracy. I just don't know how percentage the NTSC and the RGB. But looking on it, at the sides, it's providing me a true color. Okay? It's not like a thin bezel katulad ng mga premium laptops, but it's fine for the price. We'll talk about the price later. Now guys, I'm trying to test the camera quality of this CHUWI AEROBOOK, and you can actually hear my voice coming from the laptop itself. We're also testing the mic quality of this unit. Well, the settings is standard just like others, 0.9 MP. However, nakita ko yung pagka-delay ng kanyang camera. See, not like ibang laptop na talagang smooth. But what would you expect? This is a Core M. Ang ka-level nito, mga Celeron and Pentium. Alright? Now, let's talk about the keyboard of this unit. The keyboard is actually good. As I mentioned kanina, they actually maximize the size of the keyboard. Tingnan mo, onti na lang yung borders dito sa gilid. It's a 13.3 inch na pagkasya nila. Kasi may mga ibang laptop kasi na 13.3, lumiliit na yung chiclet ng mga keyboards. But this is, ang lalaki pa rin ng mga font size nila, oh. Even the tracking pad is actually malaki din. Not like the other laptops na mas maliit. So, using the tracking pad, hindi ako nahihirapan kasi malaki. Hindi ako kinakapos, yung daliri ko hindi kinakapos ng travel distance. It's a backlit keyboard, color white. And I've actually done some keyboard testing here. Hindi ako nanibago. Mabilis kong na-type yung mga gusto kong i-type. Onti lang yung mga errors na nagawa ko. Alright guys, now we're gonna open the chassis of this unit. Let's see kung ano pa yung mga pwedeng i-upgrade dito. Tawagin natin yung ating technician para baklasin ang laptop na ito. Okay, thank you do sa technician natin na nag-open ng chassis. By the way, you cannot upgrade this by your own. It will void your warranty. So if you want to upgrade it, go to any CHUWI service center or punta kayo sa store namin. But there's a socket here na pwedeng kayo na lang mismo mag-upgrade. Hindi nyo na kailangan baklasin to kasi pag binaklas nyo, kailangan nyo pang tanggalin yung ano dito. Yung parang yung cushion nyo dito para doon sa flooring. Okay, so it's aluminum. Bakal na bakal. Alright, so I don't see the memory inside. Probably the 8GB is already on board. And the storage is here, which is 256 SSD. Wala nang kailangan, actually, kailangan i-upgrade dito kasi it's either you change the 256 to 512 or 1TB, but I strongly suggest just go to an external HDD or use SD card para patasin yung storage ng laptop nyo. And one thing I've still noticed on CHUWI laptops, ang laki talaga ng mga battery nila. Akala mo battery talaga ng ng Motolite yun. Si CHUWI yata ang pinakamalaking battery na Oh, hindi pala. Pati si Bmax. Malaki din ang mga battery ni Bmax. Ano ba meron sa kanila? Ba't palakihan sila ng battery? Okay, there's a silicone gel here. Kasi wala namang fan to eh. So, kaya meron lang gel dito na pampalamig ng the processor itself. And there's a cable here. Hindi ko lang para saan to. Not that much. To sum it up, hindi mo na kailangan i-upgrade to. You just need to use an external HDD or an SD card. Okay, so let's put this aside. And let's talk about the pros and the cons of this unit. Let's start with the pros. Number 1, it's an aluminum body. Aluminum body, mostly may kita mo lang to sa mga premium grade na laptop. And do you know how much that costs? It's actually roughly around mga 50,000 above. And this unit is actually less than half of those premium laptops. Ano yung mga premium laptops na to? Ito yung mga XPS, mga MacBook Pro. Yung mga premium laptops, ito yung mga 13.3 inches eh. So, sumasabay itong CHUWI na to by means of appearance and yung quality made of this unit. And number 2, the keyboard feels or the tracking pad feels is actually okay siya. Hindi ako nanibago nung ginamit ko kasi may mga ibang laptop, yung mga 13.3 or 11.6 inches na laptop. Pag maliit na yung laptop, maliit yung mga size ng mga keys eh. Pero ito, ang lalaki pa rin ng size ng keys. Talagang na-maximize niya talaga yung buong body. Number 3, it's Intel Core M. That is why the battery life nito is mahaba. Based dun sa ads niya, ang battery life niya will stand up to 9 hours. But I see reviews, sabi nila tumatagal lang to ng mga 6 hours. Pero that 6 hours is still mahaba. If you're on a go person at mahihirapan ka mag-charge, I think mas okay sa ito. Kasi mababa yung base boost niya for battery consumption and mataas ang turbo boost niya in case na kailangan mong gumawa ng intense rendering or you need to do photo editing or video editing. And speaking about that, isa sa mga cons yan. In case you're a low-budget content creator, I think swak na swak sa'yo to. And hindi na masama. Ang memory mo is 8GB, tapos naka-SSD pa. Now, let's talk about the cons of this unit. Number 1, yung size ng power socket niya, pati yung size ng audio combo jack niya is pareho. Initially, nagkamali ako ng saksak. Nasaksak ko siya sa audio combo jack, kaya hindi siya nagcha-charge. Guys, if you're gonna buy this, please be mindful kung saan mo isasaksak. Kung tama ba, sinaksak mo sa power socket or sa audio combo jack. But don't worry, in case na mali ang saksak mo, hindi naman masisira yung laptop. Okay? The other cons that napansin ko dito, it's a glossy screen. Nung kanina tinitest ko yung unit, nagre-reflect yung ilaw namin on both sides. So in case na you're using this outside at natapat ka sa araw, good luck. Lastly, I'm not sure if this is a cons or not. It's a 13.3 inch, however, it's 1.3 kilogram. Mabigat siya. It's because it's aluminum body. Baka probably meron some of you gusto pa rin is yung plastic grade material para magaan. Meron naman kasi gusto talaga aluminum body. Talagang mas durability ang pinag-uusapan. Okay? So that's the pros and the cons that I've noticed on this unit. Now guys, if you do have feedbacks or if you want to share your thoughts about this CHUWI AEROBOOK, please comment down below. Para yung mga ibang kasama natin dito na nagwa-watch ng video nito, they will be fully informed or fully be aware kung ano yung binibili nilang laptop. And by the way, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our page. The price of this unit is only 20,000 pesos here in Circuit Base or in Laptop Factory. And sometimes we do a sale from time to time. So check nyo na lang page namin, baka ibenta namin to na 19,000 or 18,000. Okay? So, guys, for a 20,000 laptop, 8GB memory, a 256 SSD, 13.3-inch Full HD IPS display, ano pa, backlit keyboard, aluminum grade. Sa tingin nyo, will it be a worth it or not? Kayo na makakapagsabi niyan. Guys, in case that you want to purchase this unit, this is available on our branches nationwide. I'll put the list of our stores at the end of this video. And in case na ayaw mo pumunta sa store namin, we do cash on delivery nationwide. Kami na lang pupunta sa inyo. And in case that you want it on installment, we do have installment in store. And we also have installment online that you don't need a credit card, which is a BillEase. We'll put the link, the details of the BillEase below on this video kung gusto nyo malaman or more details about BillEase. Now guys, going back to our giveaway. In order for you to avail this giveaway, it's a raffle by the way. So you just need to like our page, subscribe to our page, and share our page kung saan social media platform ka laging gumagamit, if it is Facebook or Twitter or whatsoever. Okay? We are using a program that is like a randomizer. It will pick kung sino yung mananalo ng HP bag. So ngayon, HP bag, probably pag umabot na tayo ng mga 50,000 or 100,000 subscribers, laptop naman na ibibigay namin. Pero for now, let's start small muna, which is an HP bag. Okay? So we will announce the winner after this video. Okay, I think I said everything that I need to say about this CHUWI and how you win giveaway. Again, this is Dustin from Laptop Factory and Circuit Base. Have a good day. Bye-bye.